The mission of the Market Bags is to create a truly sustainable, reusable bag. I am Julia Mathers. I'm the owner and creator of the Market Bags here in Kelowna, BC. Our planet's dying, so I am trying to do something that creates an alternative to what the big corporations are doing. Everything that we make, we do right here within 10 kilometers of our studio in Kelowna. We use 100% recycled cotton canvas for all of our tote bags. At the end of our bag's lifespan, you can compost our bags even. We design all of our bags to use all of our fabric. We don't have a ton of offcuts. I'm absolutely thrilled to be working with The Body Shop. It's a company that I've grown up with. It's a company that as a little girl I would go into their shop and buy their products. And watching that company evolve and really become more conscious about the climate and the environment is pretty spectacular. So our values really align.